Mara stock just mined 13,000 Bitcoin last year, and the hash rate for this year is improving 30%. Okay, so this is good fundamentally. However, why the price continue to go down? 2 days we have flushing down 15%, and the day before on Friday 15%. So in today's video we have to discuss where the reversal. Are we gonna have a new low, or are we gonna have a new high for this year? Because we have a huge jump for Mara from this earning that we have last year in November, and we did almost, let me just check here again, 250% in just 44 days, guys. So this pullback is just a correction. Let me just show you how much we went down. 70% compared to the 250% in just a span of 44 days. So you see what's going on here. We have a huge FOMO buying because, as everybody knows, Mara mine cryptos. And you see what's happened here. Cryptos or Bitcoin went to a new high for last year, and that's why we have a huge bullish momentum, not just for Mara, even for Coin and Riot and the other cryptos, stock minus stocks. Plus, for Bitcoin, we have a good news about approving the spot ETF. And this is mean there's another liquidity, there's another huge flush of buying pressure for Bitcoin, and that's why Bitcoin went to all-time high. Now we have a pullback for Bitcoin, and guess what happened here? We have kind of the people who bought Bitcoin or bought Mara feeling that they bought Mara at the top because they fearing that Bitcoin we have a lot of pullback. So the pushing pressure that happened for Mara is just a scary traders. I'm not talking about the whales. The whales is still holding Mara and Coinbase and Riot. Who actually sold right now is retail trader, because they fearing that Mara will have a huge pullback. And that's why we have this pullback right now in just 2 days, and we have a pushback down. This has always happened when we have a huge buying pressure and FOMO buying pressure. We have this drastic of fear when happen. Even if we don't have something drastic happen, we have this fear of selling pressure happen for any stock that have huge buying pressure. It happened for GameStop, the 2021 after jump and from the $10 until the $500, and we pushed back down toward the 250 in just a few days. So this has happened before, guys. This is not new. But in today's video, we have to discuss where the whale will buy again. So we buy with them. So before we start our video, plus the like button in order to never miss our update for Mara and Coinbase and cryptos in the coming days, because we always do update here on our YouTube channel around 8 p.m. CT or 30 minutes before the market open each day, live streaming on our YouTube to discuss the price action live. So join us in order to have the price value for many stocks. So let's kick our video with Mara first, then we're gonna go to Coinbase and then Riot, because all of them are mining crypto stocks. For Mara, we went 15%. The volume is doing really great. We have almost $250 million of volume for Mara last Friday. And look exactly what's gonna happen next week. We might have a bit of drawback again. Of course, the price is still didn't hit the price value yet. So next week we should not have a reversal after this selling pressure, because we're gonna hit our price value where the market maker will buy Mara again on discounted price here over the $17.18 and the $14.10. This should be a huge wick here to have a reversal. The resistance still now around the $27.60, where we have a big seller there. Okay, but in the coming days we might have this reaction going down around the 17.18. So this is the first buying pressure for Mara to have a reversal. So here we're gonna have a reversal, If we went until the $20 and we got rejected, it mean the short seller is still there and we're gonna go toward the 1410. And here we're gonna have a consolidation. Then breaking the 20 will be really good first signal for Mara started to reverse. So we have little resistance here around the 20 before the 2760, which is the confirmation for Mara to reverse from this selling pressure. And of course, if we go in a big picture, we have the $40.18 and the $56.60 for Mara for the coming weeks and months to hit after we reverse from this major reversal zone. The other stock we have is less volatile than Mara. That's why it went down half the price that Mara went to. Mara went 15% down. However, for Coinbase, just 7%. You see what's happening for Coinbase. Coinbase is straightforward, for my opinion, because you see here we have a good reaction. The same with Mara, but we didn't have the same jump after the earnings on last November. We went just half the percentage price. Mara went almost 300% and this one is almost 150%. However, here it was clear, you know why? Because we discussed this ascending channel on our Discord and Patreon before, and we discussed this first weakness for Coinbase once we broke this level. And what we suggest that the 200 is the resistance or the breakout zone. If we don't break it and we broke this ascending channel, we're gonna have push down for Coinbase. So that's why we always do chart analysis update and alert for our hunters on Patreon and Discord to warn you guys about those kind of flashing down or even buying the dip for those kind of stocks. So what's happening here for Coinbase? Where the buying pressure, where we should buy and where we gonna confirm that the whale is still holding Coinbase, because we don't care about traders or retail traders that buying and selling the stocks in just one day. We watching for the big volatility or liquidity levels where we're gonna confirm if there's still interest from the market makers still holding those stocks or not, because this is where the direction of the stock will go. Because if the whale is still there for Coinbase around that 118, 112, it means we're gonna have a reversal and continuation higher. And this means we can load up for a reversal, then taking profit around the other resistance. So the game plan for Coinbase here, 118.64, 112.21 to be exact. This is where we should have a reversal for Coinbase. So you see what's happening here. Mara is getting near around this box, and Coinbase getting near this box where we're gonna have a reversal. So watch out. Here we should have a reversal starting from the 120, 112, and once we have a test again around the 136, the same what happened to Mara. Mara is the $20. This is the first resistance that we have to confirm to have a reversal. For Coinbase is around the 136, because if we got rejected here after testing 118, this means we're gonna have another dip toward the 112. Then we have the genuine reversal to go until the 161, which is the current resistance right now for Coinbase. So here where we're gonna have the liquidity reversal, because here we're gonna meet our whale where they actually will average down on Coinbase. The other one, Riot as well, one of the crypto mine stocks, have the same reaction as Mara and Coin. And before we gonna go to Riot, guys, all those levels, all those reversal zones, depending again on Bitcoin, because Mara and Coinbase and all those stocks went higher because all the traders believe that those stocks will go up because Bitcoin going to all-time high. And that's why we have buying pressure happened for Mara and Coinbase and Riot, and jumping 300%, 200%, or even 100% in span a few days. And this is realistically never happened to any stock fundamentally, because fundamentally Mara and Coinbase, or Mara especially, had no good earnings. There is no growth. There is no money coming in for the company. But the jump happened solely because Bitcoin going up and the traders just believing that Mara will go up because Bitcoin will go to 1 million, and Bitcoin went down and everybody changed their mind and selling because they seen that Bitcoin might have a huge dip. So you see what's happening here now is technically play right now for Mara and the other stocks, mining stocks, crypto mining stocks is solely right now is technical play. So what does mean? It mean we could actually make money by just looking for the technical, not the fundamental. And it mean is the sky is the limit if we hold the support and break the resistance and Bitcoin go over again around the 50,000 for this year. We're going to have the ignition for those stocks to go higher once again and do again 100%, 200%. There is no limit, as we said, as long as technical support us. Let us right now go back to Riot. Riot have the $10.65 as a support to reverse from. Here we have a near support actually. So Riot have a reversal zone will happen pretty soon around the 10.65. The support, the bottom that we should hold is the $8.68. Resistant to break and confirm that we have a reversal and we had a big whale buying is breaking the 13.77. So if we broke the 13.77, we're gonna have a huge jump for Riot, guys, for my opinion, around the 20 and the 45. This is, of course, in a big picture for Riot. This is show us that we're gonna have a mega squeeze for Riot if we win there. But we have to watch first for the $20 and the $30 first. And of course, the 13.77 is the most important level for Riot to break after reversing from the $10. This is psychological level right now for Riot to break in this month and hold, of course, the $10. After that, holding the $8 to confirm that we still have the whale buying Riot. Stay tuned for a major update for Riot and the other crypto stocks in the coming week, because today is Martin Luther King Jr. Day for anybody living in the United States. And see you tomorrow, guys, around 30 minutes before the market open to discuss the market in depth and live on our YouTube channel. And before that, on our Discord and Patreon. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.